Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. I am Jasmine Gapar from BSF 01A. My report is all about the documentation of the NSTP project for community services. So, the National Service Training Program or NSTP is a program in the Philippines designed to enhance civic consciousness and defense preparedness among the youth. So here's how to document an NSTP project focused on community services. So number one is the title page. So including the title, subtitle, and prepared by, and including also the date. So in title, clear and concise title of the project, detailed description or subtitle, names of students or organization involved, date of documentation submission. So number two is executive summary, including the overview and the key findings, brief description of the projects, objectives and outcomes, highlight significant impacts and learning. Number three is the introduction, which consists of background of the study or the background of the project, objectives, so the context of the community services, why it was chosen. So example is improve literacy rates among children, enhance community health awareness. So number four is project planning. So in project planning, included dito yung mga needs assessments, project design, yung mga activity timeline, resource allocation. So these methods and the findings on community's needs. So number five is implementation. Activities conducted, including the date, venue, participants, and the process. Including din yung mga challenges and solutions. So number six is evaluation, which is napaloob dito yung mga assessment method, result, and then number seven po is the impact analysis. So in impact analysis, consists of immediate impact, long-term impact, and sustainability. So in this impact analysis, ito yung mga short-term changes observed in the community, in a chosen community. So mga potential or observed long-term benefits, how the project contribute to long-lasting community improvement. So number eight is lesson learned, which is included the successes, areas of improvement, and recommendation. And lastly is the conclusion, which consists of summary of the recap of the project objectives, activities, and the outcomes. And also the final thoughts, overall reflection on the project, success, and its contribution to the community development. So that's all. Thank you.